This is Changsha, China, the capital of construction machinery. With over 20 years of manufacturing experience, we provide professional concrete machinery solutions worldwide. We manufacture 26 45-meter mixer pump trucks, 26 60-plus meter concrete pump trucks, trailer pumps, and more. From R&D and production to testing, every process is strictly controlled for stable and efficient performance. Our machines have been exported to more than 50 countries across Southeast Asia, Central Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and South America. Tant manufacturing, serving the world. This 37-meter disc mixer pump truck is built for efficient construction. The 5-section boom design delivers greater flexibility and wider job site coverage. The disc mixing system mixes concrete directly on site, combining mixing and pumping in one machine. With a 37-meter pumping reach, it easily handles complex job sites and high-rise construction demands. Powerful, stable, and built for high-efficiency construction. 2 functions, 1 machine.